poking their head. Go, 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 go. Right in front of you, Nightmare.
Ready?
Go. You're good, brother.
Way go.
Top floor, watch it!
I'm going.
Go. Go.
Moving right.
Top floor, watch it, suppress it! Keep moving, keep moving! All the way to the end, go, go, go! Go, 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 keep that top down! Keep going, keep going! All the way, all the way, all the way! Keep going, all the way in! Go, all the way! Go in, go in! Medic up, medic! Up front. Up front. Keep it tight. Keep it tight.
Cover left. Cover left. Cover left. Cover left. Go. Go. Go.
Hey, you run back corner.
It's hot. It's hot.
I know.
All right.
I need a search team. I want you up front. I want you to shoot. Search team. You're going through the cells. EOD got guys in the cells way up. They start pushing down. Watch, don't go out to the sides, guys. Got top. Start pushing down. Let's go. In the cells. Go. Keep it moving. Keep it moving.
Let you go low. Go high. Right.
Shoot up high, watch those stairs. Watch the corner. Keep fire on it.
Back up.
Suppression, keep it going. Keep it going, suppress those stairs. Come on. Push up, suppress those stairs. I'm hit.
Ready to hit? I'm trying to get Medic! Medic, where you at? Where are you going, Tim? Oh, you're good. I'm going to get over there. Get under. Right, keep back. I'll give you some tape.
Thank you. Death rig off. Loading. Keep that stair suppressed, guys.
Alright, you're good. Oh, shit.
Damn it. What do you got?
I'm good.
Back up!
Yeah, it's good. So, you know, we go on that. Like a
Alright, these guys are dead men walking right here.
Don't flash me, man.
I got another one up! Got it up! Disengage, Delta Force, fall back. If you're hit, use your rag, please. If you're hit, put the rag on top of your head, remove all hands from your firearm, or you're going to get popped. Alright? You cannot shoot them once they come out of there. It's the same thing when you guys are being staged up in the ballroom area. Everybody right now, drop back half the distance to the cell block, and then start your time when you get to the cell.
Alright.
Okay? Half the distance back, start your 3-minute time.
You're in for a lot.
Yeah, everybody move back. We're up on their spawn.
Guys, all the way back, regroup. Regroup to the load, all the way back. This bullshit.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Go, keep going. Sweep in between top two. Good push, guys. Good push. Good man. Man, it's darker than